Sea sponges, vibrant and diverse, sea sponges come in various colors and shapes, and they play important roles in filtering the ocean's water. Manta rays, these graceful creatures have unique patterns on their undersides, which are often used for identification by researchers studying their behavior. Coral polyps, tiny, soft-bodied animals called coral polyps form the hard coral structures that give coral reefs their remarkable hues. Krill swarms, the pink or orange hues of swarming krill, which are small crustaceans, can often be seen in areas like the Southern Ocean and support the entire marine food web. Chromatophores, some marine animals, like squids and cuttlefish, have specialized cells called chromatophores that enable them to change their skin color instantly for various purposes, including camouflage and communication. 23. Colorful crustaceans. Marine crustaceans like lobsters and crabs exhibit a variety of vibrant colors, often helping them blend into their underwater habitats. Hidden wonders, the mesmerizing colors of the ocean hide an abundance of life, such as the brilliantly hued nudibranch, tiny sea slugs known for their striking appearances. Unique adaptations. Many marine animals use color for specific purposes, like clownfish, which rely on their vivid colors to establish a mutual relationship with sea anemones, gaining protection and sustenance. Birds are a diverse and fascinating group of animals, with over 10,000 different species found all over the world. These remarkable creatures come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, each adapted to its unique environment and lifestyle. They play a vital role in ecosystems, contributing to pollination, seed dispersal, and insect control. Feathers are a defining characteristic of birds, serving multiple purposes. They provide insulation for temperature regulation, aid in flight, and serve as a display in courtship rituals. Birds have remarkable adaptations for flight, from the powerful wings of eagles and hawks to the graceful gliding of albatrosses. Migration is a remarkable behavior seen in many bird species. They undertake long journeys, often spanning continents, to find suitable breeding or wintering grounds. For instance, the Arctic tern migrates from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back, covering thousands of miles each way. Birds exhibit a diverse range of vocalizations, from the melodious songs of songbirds to the haunting calls of owls. These sounds are used for communication, marking territory, and attracting mates. Birds are highly intelligent creatures. Some species, like crows and parrots, are known for their problem-solving abilities and tool use. The African gray parrot, for example, is renowned for its advanced cognitive skills. Diversity in diet is another intriguing aspect of birds. From carnivorous raptors that hunt prey to herbivorous birds that feed on seeds and fruits, there's a bird for almost every dietary niche. Birdwatching, or birding, is a popular hobby worldwide, offering enthusiasts a chance to observe and study these remarkable creatures. It promotes an appreciation for nature and conservation efforts to protect their habitats. Unfortunately, many bird species are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and other human-induced factors. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these beautiful and ecologically vital creatures. Certainly, here are 10 interesting facts about sparrows. Common sight. Sparrows are some of the most common birds worldwide, and they are often seen in urban and rural areas. Species diversity. The term sparrow actually encompasses a wide range of species. One of the most well-known is the house sparrow, but there are many others, each with unique characteristics. Distinctive appearance. Sparrows are typically small birds with brownish-gray plumage, though specific coloration varies among species. They often have distinctive head markings and a conical bill. Urban adaptation. Sparrows have adapted well to human habitats and are often found in cities and towns. They thrive in urban environments, nesting in buildings and foraging for food scraps. Social birds. Sparrows are highly social and often forage and roost in groups, known as flocks. Diverse diet. Sparrows are omnivorous, feeding on a variety of seeds, grains, insects, and small invertebrates. Nesting habits. Sparrows build their nests in a variety of locations, including tree branches, building eaves, and shrubs. Their nests are typically cup-shaped and constructed from twigs and grass. Migratory behavior. Some sparrow species are migratory, traveling long distances during seasonal migrations. Melodious calls. Sparrows are known for their cheerful and melodious songs, which vary among species. Their chirping is often a characteristic sound of spring and summer.